Hello, my name is Dr. Brian Rice. I'm a doctor of chiropractic with Complete Care. When you're on the adjusting table, the things that we are looking for are mainly signs of asymmetry or imbalance. As we're palpating the spine, which means to feel the spine before the adjustment, we're checking to see if there's any signs that you have a misalignment in the body that can create an environment of imbalance that leads you to be more susceptible to injury, which is a major problem. We're going to try to fix those as quickly and as effectively as possible, bring you back to symmetry, bring that balance back to your life, help you to heal as quickly as possible.